Hello, children. Today we are going to talk about where do animals live and simply animal habitats. Let's start our lesson. Where do animals live? Simply, we can say some animals live in deserts, some live in forests, some in jungles, some in ice and snow, etc. We are going to learn all these now. Here are the habitats. And now the first one is deserts. We are going to put an arrow from deserts and forests. Some animals live in ice and snow, and some live in jungle, as you see in the pictures. Here is the desert, here is the forest, here is ice and snow. It's really cold being there, and here is jungle. And the other animal habitats are lakes. And here is lake, mountain, ocean, and rainforest. Let's meet with them. Number one is lake, mountain, ocean, and rainforest. We shouldn't forget that some animals live in lakes, some in mountains, some in oceans, and some in rainforests. We are going to watch an animal habitats video now. The video is about animal habitats, simply where do animals live. Let's watch this video now.
Today, we will learn about animal habitats. You live in your home. Do you know where this squirrel lives? Ah, and where do other animals live? Just like you have a house to live, so do plants and animals. A habitat is a place where an animal lives. In other words, the natural home or environment of a plant, an animal, or other organism. Habitats provide the animal with food, water, and a place to live. There are many different types of habitats around the world, from grasslands to forests, and from big mountain slopes to large deserts. Different habitats are shelter to different animals. When we speak about an animal's or a plant's house, it is more like a neighborhood than a home. An animal needs mainly 5 things to survive in its habitat: food, water, air, shelter, and a place to raise its young ones. Different animals require different amounts of space to live in. Habitats can be large, like a forest, or they can be small, like a burrow. Some big animals defend a huge territory or roam over a large area. Some other animals need only a small amount of space and can put up with neighbors that live close by. Oh, you are very much interested in learning this. Great! There are some common habitats where animals live. You can place this chart in your room so that you remember it. Now you know that different animals live in different types of houses. Some animals are so clever that they make their own homes. Here are the common names of animal homes. Homes of birds. A bird's home is called a nest. Most of the birds make nests from grass, leaves, fur, lichen, and mud, or from paper, plastic, and yarn. The home of a rabbit. A rabbit's home is called a burrow. Rabbits dig burrows to live in. The home of a mouse. A mouse lives in a hole. Mice dig holes to live in. Home of a spider. A spider's home is called a cobweb. It spins a cobweb to live in. The home of a honeybee. Honeybees make hives to live in. The home of a lion. A lion lives in a den when a mother has very young cubs. Mostly, a lion lives under shady trees. Home of a snake. A snake's home is called a hole. We make homes for domestic animals. The home of a cow is a shed. The home of a dog is a kennel. The home of a horse is a stable. And the home of a hen is a coop. Now you know a lot about animal homes. Animals are our friends. We should take care of them. Today.
Now there is another video about animal habitats quiz. Let's watch it. I hope you will enjoy it because it's kind of a competition. Let's watch it now.
Animal Habitats Quiz. Which one lives in a forest? A duck or a tiger? Yes, a tiger lives in a forest. Great job. Which one lives in a savanna? A zebra or a cat? Yes, a zebra lives in a savanna. Fantastic. Which one lives on ice? A parrot or a polar bear? Yes, a polar bear lives on ice. Amazing. Which one lives in a sea? A fish or a hippo? Yes, a fish lives in the sea. Wonderful. Which one lives on a farm? A lion or a sheep? Yes, a sheep lives on a farm. Fantastic. Which one lives in a desert? A camel or a flamingo? Yes, a camel lives in the desert. Amazing. Which one lives in a forest? A bear or a dog? Yes, a bear lives in a forest. Fantastic. Which one lives in an ocean? A crocodile or a whale? Yes, a whale lives in an ocean. Amazing. Which one lives on ice? A penguin or a monkey? Yes, a penguin lives on ice. Amazing. Which one lives in a sea? A jellyfish or a rhino? Yes, a jellyfish lives in a sea. Amazing. Which one lives in a savanna? A toucan or a giraffe? Yes, a giraffe lives in a savanna. Fantastic. Which one lives in a desert? A snake or a gorilla? Yes, a snake lives in a desert. Amazing. And
I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.